Gak tau.
Buat kalian pesan berapa slice?
I guess not.
Buat awak?
You gotta get that shit down.
Oh, belum nyampe lo.
Keep
Oh
going.
no!
Oh ya.
I've made a huge mistake.
Oke.
Julie's going all in.
Yo.
You gotta crush that shit.
Yo.
It's
Sam.
bitter, you know? It doesn't taste good.
No shit. No spicy food tastes good.
Really? It's right.
I said, if you've done this before.
But not. But I don't think.
This bag was extra spicy.
Nice.
It doesn't taste good.
Take the time.
And it's like, the big one's like 28 calories. Yeah. So that's why that's like,
In England, when you buy a pizza, you always get free garlic.
you asking afterward the free drink.
I didn't ask for a free drink.
You said it comes with a drink, right?
My friend lived in vape the other day. Fuck me up.
Is that me a napkin, Christian?
Yeah. Anybody else?
No napkin! No napkin!
I can't use napkins.
You got it, babe. I got 50k on you. Don't let me
Big
down.
bite.
Of course. Get it.
Kasih ya kan? Manggil kakaknya apa tuh adik?
Just leave four for Alia. Just leave four.
I will let you enjoy. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
We just ordered food.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You enjoy your pizza.
Grace, take it.
Is that carbonara? Nice. Can I just see your carbonara? Yeah, give me a fork. Oh.
Can I borrow the fork?
Oh, yeah. Forks are down here. There's plates, napkins, what I mean.
You just smoke a joint, bro? You just need some noodles.
My lips are tasting.
Is this spicier than the pagnette the
5
other day?
minutes! During the time!
Yeah.
I'm proud of you, babe.
Alright, anytime your timer starts already, I got you. Look at the face.
What's the time to wait? 2 minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Oh, Dooley's licking the bowl. It's an extra half pound if I ever saw one.
Julie's 16 seconds behind in time.
Is it worse
Who's the
than
winner?
jelly pizza?
Who's the
There's no
winner?
winners in this, they're all losers. Alright, Leia is 30 seconds behind.
Oh my god.
It's finished. Who's the
Crying.
winner?
Now they have to wait 5 minutes. They can't drink any water. They just have to wait
Is it
5
spicier
minutes.
than the pagnette at the beach? Cause that shit was
Don't look at that bottle. Don't look at the glass of water. Just take your eyes away from it.
Wait, and
I can
5
see
minutes?
steam coming out of your
Oh
ears.
my god.
This was their idea.
Yeah.
What they get if they win?
Nothing.
They don't have to pay me back then, do it.
So you guys ordered some food?
We're going to Afterworks. You know Afterworks in San Juan? It's like a burger pizza place. We're gonna go pick the food up soon.
So not Grab or...
No, it's
Just pick it
like
up.
1 minute down the
I
road.
think it's funny that you guys got Chupa Chupa delivered. Cuppa Cuppa?
Kappa, yeah,
This
Kappa,
place?
yes.
You know how close it is?
I don't know, but Alia said that it's really close.
Yeah. That's what I was telling her. She was gonna order on a Grab, and I said, she just call and pick it up. She gotta call and get her delivered. It's on the street. It's like a minute walk.
Yeah.
You can do it. It's in your blood.
Next time we'll eat pre-workout and then the spicy noodles, and we'll just be fine. Drenched. Leia looks. You look famished for
You
It
have
looks like she's
idea
been
for
through a famine.
this title?
This time.
This video title?
How much time?
I'm a YouTuber.
How much?
Did you record the
It's
challenge?
been 2.5
Did you
minutes.
record it?
Oh my god.
Still recording.
Oh, I do.
It's been
You
nice.
can call it.
Dude, you don't even got anything to drink yet, bro. What do you want? Nope.
Oh, there's some crab. Oh yeah, there's some skim milk there.
Yeah, you want milk?
I want milk too.
Give me a minute. Yeah, give me a minute.
Yeah.
I'll think of a good
You
one.
want milk?
Yeah.
We'll see their espresso.
Ini pahit banget sumpah.
Serius.
Everybody gonna sing and you united.
They're gonna pass out.
Call it
Chris is gonna grab his
sweat, tears,
Your underwear?
and spit. And then you dash. You say no. Sweat, tears, and dribble. And then you put the dash. Spicy Korean noodle challenge.
Spicy.
But you gotta say
You're
sweat
right, 5 minutes,
Spit.
right?
and
Travel.
No, yeah, okay.
and tears.
Cheers.
Sweat,
Anytime.
spit, and
You have a
tears.
minute and a half.
Like sweat, like when you eat something spicy, you dribble, and then tears because you're crying, and then dash the spicy Korean noodle challenge.
Hashtag Korean noodle challenge. Korean
Spicy
noodle.
Korean noodle challenge. Well, yeah.
Chris and I didn't eat.
How many of these do we got left?
That's my. Oh, there's one in the fridge. Two in the
Have you
fridge,
had
right?
this before?
There's one in the freezer.
And two in the fridge. One in the fridge.
But
There
I
should
don't
be
need to
7,
worry
right?
because I love spicy.
Do you like
Eat
spicy?
this.
No.
Eat, can we eat? Eat. Eat, please. Makan. Makan.
Iya, eat it.
Chris kan.
Makan
Ya,
ya.
jangan
Iya.
itu.
Aku lapar sih.
So these
Can I eat first?
Ya, makan, makan.
Yes,
Yeah, so
please. We already, we
We
just
already
ate it.
ate.
Oh ya.
Gak suka cabai?
Hah?
Gak suka
How much
cabai?
time?
Nggak suka.
Wih, kayak western style ya.
Western style.
20 seconds for in time.
Udah lama tinggal di luar negeri kayak gini.
15 seconds after that.
And me.
28
No,
seconds.
16, bro.
Almost. Okay, wait for
Does
this.
it get harder or easier?
Easier.
Okay. Right now you've got to eat it again. 3 more?
Yeah.
3 more?
2, 1, yeah!
Alright, now, yeah. Now we wait for
Cheers!
this to get to 16.
On time?
6 minutes?
16 seconds for Abdul. 14, 15, and 16.
No one is win?
Leia, yours is gonna be in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then so you have to talk
All is winner.
By the way.